Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Innova Sonic alternative, the Innova Discs DX Alien Multi-Purpose Mid-Range Disc Golf Disc. This disc is truly one of a kind, blending versatility and unique design to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned players alike. The Alien disc defies the usual classifications you find in disc golf. It combines the top profile of a Sonic with the rim of a mid-range, resulting in a hybrid that's incredibly stable and slightly overstable. This makes it an excellent choice for spin putts, approach shots, and even short-range drives. If you're looking for a disc that can do a bit of everything, the Alien is definitely worth your attention. One of the standout features of this disc is its multi-purpose nature. Innova has resurrected the term multi-purpose to describe it because it doesn't fit neatly into any one category. Whether you're aiming for precision on the green or reliable mid-range flight, this disc handles it all. Many players recommend it as a go-to for a one-disc round, meaning you can carry just the Alien and still feel confident in your throws across various situations. The Alien's design also caters to players transitioning from other disc sports. Its wider diameter and saucer-styled top make it comfortable to grip and easy to control. Throwing it feels almost like playing catch, but don't be fooled. This disc can handle torque, wind, and power with surprising resilience. When it comes to plastic options, the DX Alien uses a soft and grippy plastic blend that offers excellent chain grabs and smooth releases. Over time, the DX plastic will wear in, causing slight variations in flight characteristics, which some players find adds to the disc's appeal and versatility. For those who want more durability and precision in touch shots, the Nexus Alien offers a grippy and reliable plastic, perfect for tricky greens and approach shots. On the other hand, the Star Alien is the most durable plastic option, holding its flight path consistently over many throws, making it the best pick for short-range drives. Technically, this disc weighs between 170 to 180 grams, and its flight numbers are Speed 4, Glide 2, Turn 0, and Fade 1. This means the disc flies relatively slow with minimal turn and a gentle fade, giving you a predictable and stable flight path that is perfect for controlled throws. The Alien also appeals to players who enjoy the feel of a softer disc. The DX plastic in particular offers a comfortable grip and excellent control in various weather conditions, enhancing your overall throwing experience. If you're looking for a reliable mid-range disc that doubles as a putter and can even handle short drives, the Alien is a fantastic choice. Its unique design and flight characteristics provide excellent versatility, and it's easy to see why it's become a favorite for many disc golfers. To sum it up, the Innova DX Alien is more than just a mid-range disc. It's a multi-purpose tool that can elevate your game by offering consistent, reliable performance in many different scenarios. Whether you're new to disc golf or a seasoned player looking for a disc to cover multiple roles, the Alien might just be the best disc in your bag. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, happy throwing!